Hello friends and crafters. I have a Scrapdiva Designs design team project to share with you today, and it is what I'm calling a View-Master mini album holder with reel mini album, and reel is R-E-E-L. I'm going to share with you the dies that I used from Scrapdiva Designs. If you care to purchase any of these dies, please visit this website, www.scrapdivadesigns.com. Use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your entire order, or free ship $75 for free shipping on a purchase of $75 or more. So the first die that I used is, of course, the View-Master memory decks die. So all I did was cut this out, and then I traced around a template that I made of a cut one and covered it with designer paper. And I'm going to have a tutorial for this project and show you how I did that. I also used this reel, R-E-E-L, die that is the stars for the mini album. I used this one, which you can find in the Valentine section. It is the heart doily with the heart circle, and I used that one. I also used this crown reel, and I used the cupcake reel. I also used this flower die for the flowers on my project, and I also used the Easter spring border, and I used this one right here and this one right here, which is a scalloped with 5 little dot holes in that border. So let me show you my project. I'm going to take this one right here, and this was made with a Recollection Plush Peony is the name of the paper that I used, and I used some Joann's Diaries pink cardstock with, it's got white Swiss dots in it. So this is the View-Master, and I will turn it over, and you can see where I did make the shaker with the pieces that come with the memory decks die. And here are the borders and the pearl trim that I used. The little handle with a little charm and a little tassel that I had in my stash. Here are the flowers. And then I created this to hold the real mini album. And you can see here that I created my reel to have a picture in the center. So you could put pictures on one side and journal on the other side. And here's the heart. Here is the crown. Here is the cupcake. And the cupcake is dimensional because I used foam underneath the glitter. Here's the star. And here's the crown again. So you can use whatever combination you want for your mini album. So that's that one. And then I have this one right here that is made with the first edition, and that is called something Posy. I've been using it a lot. Posh Posy, something like that. I'll put what I use down below. So this is this View-Master. And I'll turn it over, and you can see there I created the shaker on the back. And this is the little mini album. So we have the crown, the stars, the cupcake, the stars again, the hearts, and the crowns. And then I just use a ring binder from the Dollar Tree and tied some ribbons on it for the little decoration on the top. And that also too has a charm. This one here is Recollections Southern Blues. And this is a paper pad that I've had for a little bit. And last year I used it, and it has magnolias on it. So I had a couple magnolias left over from last year that I used to decorate this. Those were created with a Elizabeth Craft die. And I did use the leaves from the flower from Scrapdiva Designs. And you see I have a little charm on this one. And I'll turn it over so you can see the shaker on the back. Really cute. And this is the mini album in this one. This one has the hearts, the crown, the star, the crown again, the hearts, and the star. And that is my project for today. I am really excited to share it with you. It was a fun project to put together, and I've been thinking about this for a while, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I appreciate them so very much. So until next time, everyone, happy crafting.